We're at Target, and then there's literally a tornado watch right now. So we might die. We might all be in the bathroom with strangers. So let's make this fast.
Iris,
Let's go.
I'm not filming.
It's me. Oh shoot! So as soon as we hear on our phones, we're leaving and not buying anything. We're getting in the car. We're not going in the bathroom.
I'm literally gonna.
I think we can only have one mic today. You're not. I don't think you guys can hear it because these mics are so high tech. But there's a lot of thunder. Let's go. Oh, you definitely see the sky though.
Guys, look at me.
I'm wearing my funeral shirt. Stand by me.
Just no mic today.
No, we'll just do a mic. It sounds so much better. I saw thunder again. Where you got? There's a car.
Stop.
They didn't let you go? That's actually crazy. Why did you just like saving his life? You just saved his life. That's what big sis does.
Sis.
First stop, Starbucks. Yes. I'm literally the only one that has money here. So we're kind of just going where I want to go. She laughed and she said, they're filming us to see if we ride on the Cubs. I'm like, bitch, Target always has been riding on the Cubs.
I don't know why you sweatpants
I'm
do this,
sick.
though.
Because those are
mine,
those
guys.
are daisies.
I've actually looked at the
Stop, no, please do that again.
Please, guys.
Those are girls, their whole point is to give you an hourglass body.
What does that mean?
I mean, like your body, like.
That's why my body looks so like big today.
It's literally the whole
No, guys, pull it up again. That's so funny.
Foot right now. There's no way you just ran over my foot right now. There's no way you just ran over my foot right now.
Just threw her phone.
Really didn't.
I didn't ever try to touch
Here. Poppy canceled. No, it's canceled.
Why?
They
Well, that's actually called pedophile. Wow.
so cute. I love your aesthetic. Oh.
Wow.
Daisy, I think you found a gem.
It's gonna be
Watching the new Minecraft movie.
mean for Jack Black.
Ooh.
Your boyfriend?
My
My biggest hear me out.
No, what is this? It's because he has the girl sweatpants on. Oh. What'd you say?
I'm cool like that.
Daisy, cheer for on that.
It's a 50. Is it Iris?
Hey guys, you just want to stay
Iris.
there.
Is it diameter? It's 52. It's 52.
That means it's 4 inches.
Wait, not 4 inches.
4 feet. I don't trust you.
Oh.
Did you get that on record? Mirror. These are so. Listen to my. Okay.
This is prime childhood, right here.
Gus literally had these. Do you remember these?
Yes.
Don't play with balls in the store. Wait, Daisy, this is actually so cute. I told you.
Wait, I'm like, what this?
No, I might buy it.
It's a big shoe.
Oh wait, my wallet. I'll just narrate. Gus throws it. Daisy catches it. Daisy throws it. Gus catches it. Gus throws it. Daisy catches. Barely missed it. Gus catches.
Say other stuff than just that.
Okay. Gus throws it. Daisy goes along and catches it. Gus runs forward to Daisy and she catches it. They're deliberating. Daisy runs forward and oh, she a little spin maneuver at the end. Did you like that word maneuver? Gus did a spin maneuver. Gus throws it. Daisy catches it. Gus throws it. Catches it. Team deliberating. Okay. They run. Oh. Guys, Daisy misses. Daisy throws the game. Gus is running with the ball in his hand. Oh, Daisy squatted too late, apparently. Looks like to me. Go. Hut. Oh. Oh. Okay, one more. Daisy. Go. Oh, Daisy, you're done too early again. Let's try again. Go. Yes, Daisy. Good girl. And she caught it. Good job, guys. Finale. Okay. Oh, did that go in? Oh my gosh, guys, it went in. Drop a like if it went in. Imagine the TikToks we could do with this game. Have you guys seen this?
Should we get it?
What
It's
is it?
expensive.
$20?
Yeah. Have you seen this game? This is the you know the sound that's like Chipotle, ding,
Dude, that's too far.
Taco Bell, ding. That's this game, and you like say every letter, and then it like gives you a theme. It looks really fun. Okay, guys, the sheep's $20, so I don't think I can buy it. I'm not gonna spend $20 on a stuffy, but I'd spend $20 on this.
Should we get it? Please. That'd be so much fun.
We'll think about it, cause that actually would be Daisy. Stop being so aggressive. Maybe like Daisy, maybe like a table for next to my chair.
Yeah. With these?
Yes, Daisy. Daisy. Stitch sponsor us. Daisy had a stitchy face. It was so bad. Wait, Daisy. A relic from
Those
this.
are
A
mine.
relic from your stitch phase.
Those are mine.
What the Daisy?
That's
Why is it $100? Gus, how much do you think this is? Gus, how much do you think this is?
What? Like, is it like, did it surprise you?
A little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, yes.
Say like $100.
guys.
Oh!
You got it right on.
Who's that diva? Oh. Are you Daisy? What are these? I've never seen them.
They're probably new ones.
Which one should we get? This one? Okay.
They have it.
Is that
Iris.
the new one?
Yeah, that's like the like that. It hasn't. Sorry. I'll do anything, please.
Daisy, are you serious? You didn't even see these.
I didn't even see those.
That's why you have to go out during the tornado. Hurry up, Daisy.
Now.
We're leaving.
Yeah.
The rain is going so hard. We're paying. I don't want to be stuck in the bathroom with strangers. Left, Josh, left. Hey guys, we're home. We didn't die.
We didn't die.
It's actually tomorrow, but
It's the next day.
it's okay. But we hope you guys. Oh, that Starbucks energy drink
Very
was
good.
really good. We did the tropical punch one. Very good.
10 out of 10 do recommend.
Should get it. But the bottled refreshers, they're not good. Like the pink drink in a bottle is so
Do
bad.
not get it.
They're not good.
Do not
They don't
get it.
taste the same. Okay, guys. Goodbye.